Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to set a live wallpaper on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap Wallpaper or Wallpaper in Style, depending on your device. Then, tap Change Wallpaper or choose Wallpaper. Select Live Wallpapers. If you don't see this option, you may need to download a live wallpaper from the Google Play Store or use one that's already installed on your device. Now, browse through the available live wallpapers and tap the one you want to use. You can preview the live wallpaper before applying it. If you're happy with how it looks, tap Set Wallpaper or Apply. Choose whether you want to set it as your home screen, lock screen, or both, depending on your phone's options. Finally, go back to your home screen or lock your phone to see your new live wallpaper in action. Happy watching! Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.